It is vibey as. There are smells in the air, garlic, spices, people have got fires on. It's like a movie scene. Good morning and welcome to Phoenix Old Town. Now, I did say in a previous video that I wasn't too fussed about visiting these ancient villages and old towns because they are very touristy, but we found ourselves here on our way to our next destination. We took a 7-hour train yesterday, so we stayed here just to break the journey up. I'm pleasantly surprised. This place is stunning. I have to eat my own words. What a beautiful place. It's very characteristic, very authentic looking. We're out, we've got the camera in hand, and let's capture some morning moments. Well, I was certainly wrong about tarnishing these ancient villages with the same brush, because this place is like something out of a movie. Wow, this is like the vibiest place I think I've ever been to, and the weather is just perfect for it, you know, that moody, rainy, overcast. It complements the houses and the buildings behind me perfectly. So I'm seeing a lot of wide shots here, and I'm also seeing a lot of like zoomed in detailed shots. So I've got the 85 on at the moment, but I might give myself a little bit of a challenge and swap between that and the 24mm prime this morning, just to mix things up and stay away from the 24-70. But if all else fails, we'll stick to the 24-70 because of that flexibility. I'm really putting this weather ceiling to its test this morning. Yeah, it's hammering down. Okay, I think it's time to admit defeat, call it quits, and head back to the hotel, grab breakfast, coffee, and dry off. This is the perfect meal for the weather today. Well, that was probably the best bowl of noodles I've had since being in China. That was well needed today. to warm the old cockles up because it is freezing and I'm still wet from this morning. But we just crossed over the river from where I was this morning and we're going to explore this part of the town. It is vibey as. There are smells in the air, garlic, spices, people have got fires on. It's like a movie scene. So the food tour continues. We've come across this bread pancake thing and we're sitting on the side of the street. How good. So I've just come across this viewpoint. It's like higher than the street. It's level with the roofs of the buildings. So you can look down at the street below and it's a real tight alleyway. The framing of the buildings that curve around and the path going through just looks good. So I'm going to wait it out for a subject to come in. Hopefully it clears up and try and get someone walking through with an umbrella or whatever. Oh man. Vibes. We've literally just walked about 10 steps and we've come to this incredible view of the roofs and the leading line that curves around with the houses and the rivers just below. This place is a photographer's dream. So now the weather's chilled out a bit, I can actually put my bag down and change my lens. I've had to put away the trusty 24-70 and I've picked out the old faithful, the 85mm, just to get some real like detailed sort of compressed shots. I've said it 100 times, man. I love this lens so much. This is one thing, you stop and take a photo and then everybody else stops and takes the photos with you. I guess I'm doing something right. Okay, so we captured the morning moments, we went home, we went back out, captured the daytime moments, had some lunch, and now we're out to catch the evening moments. The sun's just gone down and the lights just come on these buildings. There's a bit of a current in the water, so what I'm going to try and do is just do some like 5-second handheld exposures just to try and smooth that water out and not have to do as much in post. That was Phoenix Ancient Town. I'm very glad that I made the decision to spend a day here. As I've mentioned, I'm in China for the next couple of weeks. I've got plenty more coming from this fascinating country. I hope you enjoyed that one. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. I actually hate heights, eh?
Bus.
Yeah, logistical nightmare. Has been the toughest part of our China adventure the last couple of days.